Well, we knew about the pain that the high street's feeling, in particular clothing and fashion retailers. Two retail stocks worth watching today are the online specialist ASOS and bricks and mortar clothing retailer H&M. ASOS first, it's warned of lower profits this coming financial year after unprecedented discounting hit its trading in November. In a conference call with the industry analysts, ASOS founder and chief executive Nick Baton said consumer confidence was fragile. Meanwhile, Swedish retailer H&M saw its best quarterly sales growth in 3 years, but this came as it slashed prices to clear inventory build-up. Investors won't know what sort of effect this will have on its earnings until it reports full year numbers on the 31st of January. Let's take a look first of all at the ASOS share price. A whopping 41% has been wiped off at the share price today, all the way down at £24.73. This stock was at £77 back in March this year. Now you can see it's got some support. Last saw this line of support tested back on the 18th of September 2015, and we saw February 2016 another attempt at that after the launch higher for its stock. So we're now trading at these levels not seen in multi-years. That's ASOS. So far as Hennes & Mauritz is concerned, it's down today, but only by a margin of 5%. But interestingly, this line of previous resistance, which has now become support, is being tested on the downside at 146.08. It was just a couple of weeks ago. This stock was trading at recent highs at 170.99. For more videos, go to @IGTV on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel.